Hi, first grade mathematicians. Today for math, we're going to do an activity called Pick a Turkey. Happy Monday. It is Monday, November 23rd today. And as you remember, we only have school today on Monday and tomorrow on Tuesday. This is the first paper you will need for the game and the activity Pick a Turkey. So it looks like this. You can tear it off of the packet, and as you see, you're going to need a red, a green, and a brown crayon or colored pencil. This is the other page you will need for the Pick a Turkey graph, where you are going to be coloring in for the bar graph. And this is the third page you will need for the math activity, which has 7 different questions that you will be answering and filling in. So once you have your materials, the first thing you're going to do on this page is you're going to color the turkeys. So I already did this. So you're going to color one turkey red. I colored this one red because it kind of matches that shape. 3 turkeys down here you're going to color green, and 4 turkeys you're going to color brown. Okay, so you can see I colored my turkeys here already. And the next step, boys and girls, says that you will cut the turkeys out, and then you can see I cut all the turkeys out, and you can place it in a bag, or I'm going to use this cup here, and I'm just going to take them and place them in the cup, or you can use a plastic bag or anything you have handy at home. Okay, then you're going to pick a turkey without looking, and on the chart you're going to make tallies. Okay, so you're going to put the turkey in the bag or the cup, shake, and pick one out, repeat 9 more times. So you're going to do it for a total of 10 times. So watch me. For example, I'm not going to look. Put it over here. I'm going to grab one out. What's the first turkey I have? A brown one. So I'm going to then put a tally on the brown one, and that's this one right here. So I'm going to make 1 tally. Okay, I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to shake it up. I'm not going to look. I'm going to pull one out. What did I get this time? A green one. So I'm going to look. The green one, I'm going to make this one like here. So it's right here. So I'm going to put a tally, 1 tally for the green one. You can even color these in like I did here, so I know when I'm taking them out where I need to put my tally. Okay, and then you're going to do that for a total of 10 times. So now, as you can see, boys and girls, I did that step where I picked some turkeys from the cup without looking, and here is how my chart looks, numbers I picked. I picked a brown turkey, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then remember the 5th tally you put across, so I make a group of 5 6 times. So then I have to write how many. So under brown, I'm going to put the number 6, like that. Then the green turkeys, I picked a green turkey 3 times. So I'm going to put 3 here. And the red turkey, I only picked 1 time. So I'm going to put a 1 here. And then it says, circle the turkey you picked most often. Well, I had 6 here, 3 green, and 1 red. So the one I picked most often, I would circle is the brown one, because I picked that 6 times. Okay, so now that we have this part done and we made our tallies for when we picked the turkeys, now we're going to transfer it and make a turkey graph. So I'm going to look at the green turkeys. How many did I pick? 3. So I'm going to take my green crayon here, and I need to create a bar graph. So I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3 of these in the bar graph for the green turkeys. Okay, now I'm gonna look at how many brown did I pick. Remember, 6. So I'm gonna go to brown and I'm gonna create my bar graph here. I need to go up to 6. So I like to make a little mark in them. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. But then I want to color it in to create my bar graph. So I'm gonna color in 6 of these rectangles. Okay, and now the red turkeys. I only picked 1, so now I'm just going to color in 1 of these. Okay, so remember I picked 10 times, and that's what I have for my bar graph. Now I'm going to use my bar graph to answer these questions. Okay, number 1 says, how many more green turkeys than red turkeys? So I'm going to look. Here's my green. Here's my red. I need to see how many more. Well, if there's 3 and only 1, I can see I have 1, 2 more green turkeys. So I'm going to put 2. Then it says I picked blank brown turkeys. How many brown did I pick? 6. I picked blank green turkeys. 3 green turkeys. I picked 3 green turkeys. Number 4, I picked blank red turkeys. Only 1 red turkey. Let me take that S off. Number 5 says I picked more blank turkeys than blank turkeys. So I need to put a color in. I picked more, let me see. I picked more brown turkeys than red turkeys. So I'm going to put brown here. And to see how I spell the word, I can see right here. I picked more brown turkeys than red turkeys. Number 6 says I picked fewer, remember fewer means less, blank turkeys than blank turkeys. Let me look at my bar graph. I picked fewer, red than green or brown. I think I'm going to say fewer red than green. I picked fewer red turkeys than green turkeys. And number 7, when you fill this in, it says I picked blank more blank turkeys than blank turkeys. So now I need to put a number here. I picked how many more? Let's see, I'm going to do brown. So how many more brown than red? I'm going to use this bar graph to see. I only have 1 red and 6 brown. So I can see that I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more brown turkeys than red turkeys. So you can go ahead and finish these 2 pages after you did the tallies. And when you are done, take a picture of the pages and send to your teacher so we can see your results from your tally chart and your bar graph and then your questions. Have fun with this activity.